Welcome to this detailed walkthrough on how to remove the background from an image using PowerPoint. In this guide, you will learn how to use PowerPoint's built-in features to edit your images quickly and efficiently. Begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Once the application is launched, locate the presentation you wish to work on and open it. This will serve as your working document where you can insert and modify images. After you have your presentation open, navigate to the slide where you want to add your image. Once you have the correct slide on your screen, direct your attention to the top of the window where you will find various toolbar options. Locate the option labeled Insert. By selecting this, you are preparing to add an image to your slide. Within the Insert menu, look for the option to add a picture. Clicking on the Pictures option will prompt a file browsing window to appear on your screen. This is where you will locate the photo you wish to work with. Browse through your computer's files and folders until you find the image you want to use. Ensure that you select an image with a clear subject, as this will give the best results when removing the background. Once you have found your desired photo in the file browsing window, click on it to select it. After making your selection, the photo will be inserted directly onto your slide. Now that your image is part of your presentation, it is time to begin the background removal process. Direct your attention now to another tab labeled Picture Format, which becomes available once the image is selected. In the Picture Format section, you will see several editing options that allow you to tweak the appearance of your image. Look to the left-hand side of this tab where you will find the option for removing the image background. Clicking on Remove Background activates the feature. At this point, PowerPoint will automatically detect and highlight the background areas in a different color, ensuring the object or subject of the image stands out. This automatic detection may not be perfect, but it provides a strong starting point. You will have the chance to fine-tune the selection if necessary, ensuring that only the background is removed while your main image remains intact. By following these steps, you are now able to quickly and efficiently remove the background from any image within PowerPoint, making it a practical tool for enhancing your presentations. This process is particularly useful if you require clean images with transparent backgrounds for professional documents, marketing materials, or educational content. Enjoy experimenting with PowerPoint's image editing capabilities and create visually appealing slides that capture your audience's attention throughout your presentation.